Alright, first off, we're gonna press and hold the plus button, and that will raise the deck up. Alright, now that we got the deck raised up, on the bottom side here there are 4 screws. I've already loosened them so you can see where they're located at, but we're gonna pull these 4 screws out, and then on the bottom side of the deck here, underneath where these little metal guide fingers are at, you'll see that there's one located there, one there, and another one right there. So there's 4 of them in total. They're recessed and kind of like a U shape buried down in there, but those are the screws that we're going for. Let's see, right in there. So I've already got them pulled out, and once you get all of those taken off, let me get the bottom ones off, and then we'll lower the deck back down. Alright, now that we got the 4 screws along the bottom and the 4 screws along the top, a total of 8 of them, we got those pulled out. We're gonna push and hold the minus button until the deck goes back down. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and push the e-stop button. And this is what I was talking about. This would be a good opportunity to clean out all that grass and all the buildup and everything in there. Alright. Alright, we're all done. Let's put the cover back on and get the 8 screws put back in.